Subscriptions are the single highest leverage feature you can add to a Shopify store in 2026. One subscription customer is worth 10 to 20 one-off buyers over the same window. The math is recurring revenue versus single transaction. Average customer lifetime value triples for stores that ship subscriptions on at least one product category. The barrier used to be expensive third-party apps and complex setup. Shopify now ships its own free subscriptions app. 560 reviews on the Appstore, native code, free to install, 0 monthly fees. In this tutorial, I walk through the full setup, what the app does, how to install it, how plans work, and what shoppers see on the storefront. Total setup time about 10 minutes. The plan you build today starts compounding recurring revenue tomorrow. Let's start with the App Store listing. This is the App Store listing for Shopify subscriptions. Pay attention to the header. It's built by Shopify itself. 560 reviews, 4 stars, the Built for Shopify badge. That means first-class admin integration, no external dashboard, no third-party API surface. The headline below the title, easily add subscriptions to your store. That's the one-line pitch. 3 core capabilities listed in the hero. 1. Set up subscription plans for any product. 2. Manage active subscriptions from a single dashboard. 3. Let customers manage their own subscriptions from their account page. Install button is in the top right. Free, 1 click, no credit card. The app installs into your admin in under a minute. Once installed, it lives at admin.shopify.com/store/your store/apps/subscriptions. We'll come back to that. Before installing, scroll through the listing to understand exactly what you're getting. Scroll down to the feature section. 3 subscription patterns are supported out of the box. Pattern 1, recurring delivery, a box of consumables every month. Coffee, vitamins, pet food, razors, same product, same cadence, automatic charge. Pattern 2, subscribe and save. The shopper picks subscribe at checkout and gets a discount, usually 5 to 10% off the one-off price. Lower margin per order, but the lifetime value math works out. Pattern 3, prepaid. The shopper pays upfront for 3, 6, or 12 months. Higher upfront commitment, lower cancellation risk. Below the patterns, the integration features. Native customer portal. Your subscribers can pause, skip, swap product, or cancel without contacting support. That single feature cuts subscription support tickets by half. Branded notifications. The emails Shopify sends on charge, renewal, failure. Customize them once with your logo and tone. 5 minutes of setup. Inventory sync. Subscription orders deduct from the same inventory pool as regular orders. No separate stock to manage. Migration support. If you're moving from another subscriptions app, you can import existing contracts. Worth checking compatibility with your current provider before you commit. Pricing section. Free, no monthly fee, no setup fee. The app itself costs 0. How Shopify makes money on it. Transaction fees on subscription orders. Shopify takes a small percentage of each recurring charge. The fee schedule is on the App Store page, typically well below what third-party apps charge. Compare that to paid alternatives. Recharge starts at $99 a month plus per transaction fees. Bold subscription starts at $49. Loop subscription starts at $99. For a store doing under 1,000 subscription orders a month, Shopify subscriptions is by far the cheapest option and the only one with native admin integration. Review section right below. 4 stars overall. Read the recent ones. They cluster around 2 themes. The positive ones say it's reliable, easy to set up, no surprises. The negative ones flag missing edge cases, gift subscriptions, bundle subscriptions, complex pricing tiers. Match those against your roadmap. Now the setup flow conceptually, end to end. Step 1. Install the app. Click Install on the App Store page. Accept the requested permissions. Read and write products, customers, orders, discounts. About 15 seconds. Step 2. Open the app from your admin sidebar. The landing page shows a 6-item onboarding checklist. The first item is Create your first subscription plan. Step 3. Click Create Plan in the top right. The plan creation form opens with 3 fields. 1. Pick the product. 2. Set the billing interval. 3. Set the discount. Product. Most stores start with their highest volume consumable, the thing shoppers will rebuy anyway. Coffee, supplements, pet food, beauty refills. Billing interval. Monthly is the default and works for most products. Weekly for high-frequency consumables. Quarterly for slow-burn items like skincare. Discount. 5 to 10% off the one-off price is the sweet spot for subscribe and save. Below 5% doesn't move conversion. Above 10% eats your margin. Save the plan. Move down the checklist. Turn on the customer self-serve portal. Customize notification emails. 5 minutes each. From here, you can create more plans. Different products, different intervals, different discounts. Mix and match per category. This is a regular product page on the storefront without any subscription plan attached yet. Once you create a plan and assign it to this product, the product page changes. Above the Add to Cart button, you'll see 2 purchase options: one-time purchase at the full price, subscribe and save at the discounted price. A frequency drop-down will appear next to the subscribe option. Every 2 weeks, every month, every 3 months, whatever intervals you configured in the plan. The shopper picks subscribe, picks a cadence, clicks Add to Cart. From that order onwards, Shopify charges them automatically on the chosen interval. They get an email confirming the subscription. They get a link to manage it from their account. They stay subscribed until they actively cancel. This is the entire conversion mechanic. One optional checkbox on the product page that turns single purchase shoppers into recurring revenue. Quick recap of the entire flow. Shopify subscriptions. Free native, built by Shopify, 560 reviews on the Appstore, 4 stars. Install from the Appstore with 1 click. Open the app from your admin sidebar. Click Create Plan top right. Pick product, set billing interval, set discount, save. 2 settings worth toggling on day 1. Customer self-serve portal and branded notification emails. On the storefront, the subscription option appears alongside the regular buy button. Shoppers pick subscribe and save, and the recurring revenue starts compounding. The math one more time. A subscription customer is worth 3 to 10 times a one-off buyer over the same window. Action steps this week. Install the app today. Create 1 subscription plan on your highest traffic consumable product. Set the discount at 7%. Run for 30 days. Check your subscriber count before changing anything. If this helped, hit subscribe. New Shopify app deep dives every week. Affiliate links in the description.